Got it. So, today we will be learning how to apply the sum and the differences, sum and products of sine and cosine. So there are few formulas how we can change one into another. So if we have product, let's say we have sine x times sine y. We can change it into the sum of 1/2 cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. If we have cos times cos, cos x times cos y, it will be 1/2 of cos of the that will be cos of the difference x minus y plus cos of x plus y. If we have sine x times cos y, that will be equal to 1/2 sine x plus y plus sine x minus y. So that's how, if we have product of two circular functions, how we can change them into the sum. And we can do opposite. We can change sum into the product. If we have sine x plus sine y, sine x plus sine y equal to sine x plus y on 2 times cos x minus y on 2. If we have if we have minus here, sine x minus sine y, probably we need to change the complete formula. We cannot write it as 1. So if we have sine x minus sine y, it's equal to cos x plus y on 2 times this times sine x minus y on 2. If we have cos x plus cos y, it will be equal to 2 times cos x plus y on 2 times cos x minus y on 2. If we have cos x minus cos y, it's equal negative 2 sine x plus y on 2 sine x minus y on 2. You don't need to memorize those formulas, they all will be on the formula sheet. But you need to be able to apply them. And let's start applying them from the example from your booklet. Let's start from the simple example 3, page 41. Prove the next identity. If we have cos 3x minus cos 7x equal 4 sine x, 4 sine 5x, 4 sine 5x times sine x cos x. So let's apply formula for difference of 2 cos x minus cos y equal this. So we have x is 3x, y is 7x. So we will get left hand side equal negative 2 sine, what will be x plus y on 2? Come on guys, what will be x plus, this is our x, this is our 5x. And what will be sine of x minus y? 3x minus 7x divided by 2 minus 2x. So we get sine minus 2x. Now, negative 2 sine 5x, we already got sine 5x, which we had here. Now let's recall formula for sine double angle formula. It's something that you should. Sine double x is 2 sine x times cos x. And what we know about sine of negative x?
It's
Sine is even or odd function.
Odd.
Sine is odd function. So sine or for odd function,
negative sine.
we have sine negative x equal negative sine x. So we have this will be times negative sine of 2x, taking into account that the sine is an odd function. You remember what is odd, what is even functions? So that becomes equal negative, negative becomes positive. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So equals 4 sine 5x sine x cos x. Just applying the formula. So with all those type of questions, you need to be familiar where to look, which formula to use. I'm saying you don't have to memorize formulas, but you need to be familiar. Makes sense what we did? We just applied the formula for the difference of 2 cos, 2 cosines. Yes?
Give us another example.
Yeah, do another example. Cos.
Wait, sorry, what rule is that? Sine 2x equals 2 sine x. What rule?
Sine double angle, which you did like 2 lessons, 2 or 3 lessons ago. When we learned sine x plus y, sine x minus y, cos x plus y, sine and cos of sum of difference of 2 angles, and when they are equal, you will get it. Okay, another example from the same example 3. Let's do question B. Sine x plus sine 5x. And you will be helping me to solve it. Apply an appropriate formula from the list which is in front of you. So sine x plus sine 5x, which will be sine plus sine, we will be using this formula, over, we have another 2 sines, sine 2x plus sine 4x. And we need to prove that that's equal to cos x minus secant x. What is secant x? What is secant x? Yes, are you serious?
1 on
Oh,
cos.
secant is 1 on cos, so minus 1 on cos cos x. Okay, tell me what we'll be using this formula. Sine x plus sine y, what will be numerator equal?
2 sine 3x times
Cos negative 2x. Denominator using exactly the same formula.
2 sine 3x cos negative
2 sine 3x cos negative x. Now, sine 3x of 2 and 2 cancels out. How nice. Sine 3x cancels out. Now, what is cos? Cos is odd or even function?
Even.
Cos is even function.
So cos 2x over.
So cos negative 2x is just equal cos 2x. So you will have cos 2x over cos x. And what the formula for cos double angle is cos squared x minus sine squared x over cos x, splitting it a fraction in 2, we'll get cos x minus, and we have cos squared over cos x, sine squared over cos, sine squared over cos. We need to use another
Sine
formula.
squared x
We need
is
better to use another formula instead of, because cos 2x is also we can use it 2 cos squared x minus 1. 2 cos squared x minus 1. Then we will get 2 cos x minus 1 on cos x, which is required. So again, it's all about looking through formulas, be familiar with them, and quickly find which formula will be the best to use. Now, more difficult question. Solve the equation. Yeah, can I clean this up a little bit? It's example 4, question C. Example 4, question C. Solving equations and using those formulas to solve the equation. So we have cos 4x minus cos 2x plus sine 3x equals 0. And we need to find all solutions on the interval from 0 to pi. First step, let's combine these two together. Cos x minus cos y, cos x minus cos y. So you will have negative 2 sine 4x plus 2x on 2 sine 3x and times sine x minus y, 4x minus 2x divided by 2, so times sine x plus sine 3x equals 0. Make sense what I did? I just applied formula of the difference of two cosines. What should be our next step to solve the equation?
You remove sine 3x.
Not remove, take
Like
as
take
a
that.
common like that. So we have sine 3x and we will have 1 minus 2 sine x equals 0. What will be the
Oh, it's non-factorable.
factor law? So we have either sine 3x equals 0 equals 0 or sine x equals 1/2. This one on the interval from 0 to pi will have how many solutions? Sine x
Two.
equals 1. Yes, because unit circle, if you're not sure, always think about the unit circle. Sine x
Not
equals
both
1 half. From interval to pi will be 2 intersections. So x equals, what are the
Pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6.
pi on 6 or 5 pi on 6. So we've done with this one. Now sine 3x equals 0. Sine of which angle equals 0? Sine equals 0. So we have, but it will be 0, not every 2 pi, every pi. So that will have 3x equal pi n. Every pi will get to 0. When n equals 0, it's 0, 1, we're there. What should be next step? Do we want to find x? We have x equal pi n on 3. We take n equals 0. We get solution n0 x equals 0. In the interval, yes, n equals 1,
Yes.
pi on 3. In the interval, n equals 2, 2 pi on 3, still in the interval, n equals 3, x equals pi. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solution of the original equation. Make sense?
Yes.
What we did. Now I want you to, let's do one very interesting question from the textbook. Exercise 16D. Question 17. Question 17. I will write it on the board. I love this question. So find the sum sine x plus sine 3x plus sine 5x plus plus sine 99x. Plus sine 99x. And let's multiply it. So let's say that's equal, what letter I will use? Let's say S, big S, capital S. Let's multiply it by 2 sine x. Let's multiply it by the whole thing by 2 sine x. We'll get 2 sine squared x plus 2 sine x sine 3x plus 2 sine x sine 5x plus plus sine 2 sine x sine 99x. Now let's apply formula of the product of 2 sines. Sine x times sine y equal 1/2 cos x minus y minus cos x. So we'll keep this one, 2 sine squared x, plus what this becomes 2 sine x sine 3x. Product of sines, this formula. 1/2 times 2 cancels out. What is cos x minus y? What is, we will simplify sine x times sine 3x. So we will have, this becomes cos of x minus
Where
3x.
is this question?
It's a textbook, exercise 16D, question 17.
It's a shower.
Kelly gives a chance.
Well, it starts to leak.
Listen.
No, Mr. V, I know you want to pull the lever.
Huh?
I know you want to pull the lever.
We have one student, two years ago, decided for some reason to see if it's working. Come and open it.
Wait, why are they even in here? Like, when is anyone ever?
What happened to him?
This one, if in case it's a science, if you get, let's say, spill with acid, something like that, or your clothing caught fire, so there, and wash it. And yeah, then one was saying one student was smart enough to go and turn it on.
What happened to him?
Then he was cleaning homemade that he made, got suspension.
Suspension for that, really?
Yes. Yes. 3-day suspension, I think.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what we have sine x times sine 3x. We have formula sine x, so will be plus cos what?
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x plus, sorry, minus what? Minus what? Look on the form.
Cos 4x.
We have x plus 3x divided by 2.
No.
We have x plus 3x.
It must not divided by 2.
No,
No, because.
sorry, not divided, x plus, not divided by 2, yes. So minus cos 4x.
Get away from him.
Now, what will be the next one? What will be the next one? Ellie, what will be the next one?
3x.
Sin x times sin 5x.
Sin x.
Cos 3x.
Cos, yeah. That's
So we have plus cos
No, they were all the 2.
negative 4x
Yeah.
minus
Something.
minus cos 6x. Now, we have cos minus for x equal, cos is an even function,
Cos 4x.
equals cos for x. We have cos for x, it cancels out. And then we'll have the next one will be cancelling out. And if you look into the whole thing, we will get what will left, what will not cancels out. We will have the first one left, 2 sine squared x. We'll have this one plus cos 2x. And we'll have the very last one, minus, what will be the very last one? When we will have cosine x times sine 99x. Cos 100x minus cos 100x.
Isn't it 50? Oh, no.
It's not divided by 2. So that's what we left at the end. Now, let's apply formula for cos 2x. 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Two sine squared x plus 1 minus 2 sine squared x minus cos 100x. So what we have the 5 finally left? Come on, sine, 2 sine squared minus 2
1 minus 100.
So answer is 1 minus cos 100x equal, but we had multiplied by 2 sine x both sides, so s, that is what we're looking for, times 2 sine x. So we multiply everything by 2 sine x. So final answer will be 1 minus cos 100x divided by 2 sine x. I think that it's a beautiful question. Okay, now it's your turn to do some practice. Like, subscribe and donate to help fight terrorist countries and organizations, Russia, Iran, etc. Support Ukraine and Israel.